Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best built-in microwaves with trim kit you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many built-in microwaves with trim kit and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each built-in microwaves with trim kit so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a built-in microwave with a trim kit. First, check the size and dimensions to ensure it fits perfectly in your kitchen cabinet space. Next, consider the power level and wattage, as higher wattage means faster and more even cooking. Look for features like sensor cooking, defrost settings, and easy-to-use touch controls for convenience. Another key factor is the design and finish. Choose one that matches your kitchen's overall style. Don't forget to check the trim kit compatibility, as it ensures a seamless built-in look. Also, pay attention to energy efficiency and noise level for better performance and comfort. Lastly, compare warranties and customer reviews to ensure reliability and long-term satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful home appliance tips.